Yes, it's another Sharp MD-DR77, this time from Bai for less than 2,000 yen. This one was unconfirmed and had a door malfunction. Let's take a look. Obviously, the eject slider is missing, but you can make it work with a small object. Here's what the seller was talking about. It doesn't close properly. You can see that the door hook never moves. Let's compare that to a working one. The broken one isn't opening as wide. Here, the hook and slider move properly. This one isn't aligned with the door properly. I'm pointing at a small slanted metal part that would push that hook out of the way. Let's gently bend it outwards. Just missing it. Just a bit more. Still missed it. Tiny adjustment. There. Here's another look at it. Looks about the same. I need one more adjustment so it stays closed. There we go. Now that it locks properly, we'll want to get a new eject slider on there. Luckily, I have a spare from my Sharp graveyard. This is actually from an MD-DR7, but it's the same. Let's remove the battery door and the back panel. Bend the metal gently to lift it over the plastic tab on the door. Then some screws. Let's pry from the battery door side. The slider mechanism is under this chrome trim. We'll need to remove it because the slider hooks onto a small, flat piece. This trim is hooked onto the back and sides, but we may need to loosen the top lid. In this case, I'll loosen the rear screws on top. That's enough to get it out of the way of the trim. This flexible plastic trim can break, so be gentle. Pry off the rear. Then get this one screw. It's hooked onto a hole on this side. Wiggle gently. There, the trim and eject mechanism. Here's the finger that hooks onto the eject slider. Oops. Anyway, one screw first. The eject mechanism slides out. Let's put the slider in place first. Then hook the mechanism back in. Then we replace the one screw we removed. Looks good. I start by hooking it back on the side with the tab. Then gently line it up around the device. It should all pop into place. Replace the top lid screws. And replace the bottom case cover. A few more screws. Okay, we need another slight adjustment. There. Let's replace the battery door and test. For less than 2,000 yen, I got an MD-DR77 in great shape with the remote, and all I had to do was fix the eject hook and slider. Eject is working nicely. As always, thanks for watching.